Problem with the Volvo 2001 to 9 all models S60 XC90 is that maybe you come to the gas station and you cannot unlock the door with the button on the dash, or the door will not lock when you finished filling with the tank. So here's what you do. If it doesn't unlock, just go inside the trunk. Well, the trunk it's a little bit different on the models, but basically just flip this cover, flip it back, turn the knob there, toss this thing, then look here, this is the actuator for the door, and then there's not much light, but you can reach with your finger here, and there is a small tab. Looks like this. Pull it to unlock the door by hand, and now the door should unlock very easily. Basically what happens is that the actuator, it does go bad. This unit here does go bad. It's very easy to replace. You have one connector here and two screws outside. Do not try to remove the connector as yet. You'll need T25 Torx bits or screwdriver. Undo these two screws, catch in, then go inside. The unit will come out, and you have these kind of tabs on both sides. That's why you need to remove first the unit and pry with your finger or something on both sides of the clip. Do not just pull on it, and you need to undo these small black tabs both at the same time. Undo the connector. Use try to find one unit like this of internet, eBay, used, junkyards. This oftentimes go bad, so maybe the used one also is gonna work properly, but it's easy to replace at least. When you replace it, try with one hand to keep the unit in place or ask for help, and then just set properly the plastic here to come out fully, because it has a seal around. Install the screws by hand, tighten, and you should be good to go. Usually these things, when they work, they locked right a few seconds after moving the car again, after you have unlocked them, or about 10 minutes. It depends on the programming. That's one thing. The next thing is the hinges. Also, these hinges have a plastic tabs here that like to break. So if you already got it broken, or you want to prevent that, just insert a few stainless steel screws to keep this spring here in place, so it doesn't force on the tabs here. This is just another issue with this rear door flap. Hopefully this helps, guys.